We're going to be working with words that have the long and short A sound. Let's look at some words that have either the short A or the long A. And let's see what letters make that short A or what letters make the long A sound. Let's look at the word cap. I hear the short A, in cap. Let's look at the word cape. You hear the long A sound in cape, cape. What makes the long A sound in cape? It's this A consonant and silent E. So I'm going to go ahead and write cape over here. I'm going to write cap under the short A sound. Let's look at the word man. You hear the short A in man, Let's look at this word. This word is main. You hear the long A in main. And the two vowels that make the long A sound are AI. So I'll write main under here, the AI, and I'll write man under the short A. Let's go ahead and look at another word. Let's look at the word stack. You hear the in stack. That makes it a short A. Whoops, that's stack. Let's look at the word steak. You hear steak. You hear the long A sound, and this time the EA are the letters, the vowel combination that makes the long A sound. So I'm going to write steak right here. Let's look at the word Monday. The word Monday has a capital M because it's a specific day of the week. We call that a proper noun, so it's a capital M for Monday. I hear the long A at the end, Monday. And the letter vowel combination that creates that long A is AY. So let's write Monday under AY. The next word we're going to look at is straighten. You hear the straighten. You hear the long A right here. So we're going to go ahead and put straighten under the AI. The last word we're going to look at or talk about is neighbor. This EI makes the neighbor, and it actually makes the long A sound. Neighbor. So we know A consonant silent E makes the long A sound. AI makes the long A sound. AY at the end of words makes the long A sound. EI, EA. These are all the different combinations that make the long A sound. Let's take a look at some more words that have the long or short A. Let's just do a couple of these. Let's look at the word today. I hear the A, long A sound in today at the end. And the AY is making that long A sound. Let's look at the word weighing. I know that I hear the A, long A sound, and the EI is making it. Let's look at the word scratch. You hear the short A, ah. So let's write scratch. Oops. Let's write scratch under the short A. Where would you sort the rest of the words? Now pause the video and complete the attached activity called Build Automaticity. This activity is an opportunity to read words fluently. Now you're going to write some words with a short and long A sound in them. Write these words in your notebook. I'll say the word and use them in a sentence. You write the word. Feel free to pause the video if you need a little bit more time to write the word down. The first word I want you to write is Tuesday. We will go to the park on Tuesday. The next word is maintain. How can you maintain good grades? Maintain. The next word is animal. Which wild animal is your favorite? Animal. The next word is answer. Do you know the answer to every question? Answer. The next word is great. It feels great to finish work on time. Great. The next word to write down is neighbor. We helped our neighbor clean his yard. Neighbor. The next word is generate. Can you generate a list of questions for us? Generate. And the final word is relate. I can't relate to the mean girl in this book. Relate. Now it's time to check your work. If you did not spell the word properly, go ahead and write the correct spelling next to it. Make sure that you have a capital T for Tuesday because it's a proper noun. It will always be spelled with a capital T. The next time we're in person, be ready to share what you learned about the different spellings for the long A sound.